In this class, we will going to do the exercises in this chapter. But in the last class, we were done some of the exercises and also done the output devices regarding the speaker. At the end of this page, the page number 33, there is a line written at. The line is saying that laser printer produces or produce the best printouts at the fastest speed. Laser printers, as I told you that printer are of many type. Printer are of many type. And laser printer are the fastest printer of every time. Laser printer are the fastest printer of every time, and they are used to produce many papers in a minute. Okay, many papers, more than 10 or 20 papers can be printed in a minute with the help of a laser printer. So they are very much fast in comparison with the other one. Some printers are inkjet, some printer are laser printer. So inkjet printer are good, but they are slow. So the laser printer are the fastest one. They produce the best and the fastest papers. Now we are moving towards the page number 34. Everybody should open the page number 34 in their computer book. On the page number 34, we have a question. What does question is saying? The question is saying that label the devices. Label the devices and state whether they are input or output devices. So, label. The word label means name. Label, name, relabel means rename. So, label the devices means so you have to name the devices. There are some devices given. You have to name the devices and you have to write that they are input or they are output. So, you have to mention the name. So, this is the question given on the page number 34. Everybody understand that question?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Everybody
sir. I
understand
want
that
to tell
question?
you. Sir, can you open a picture of laser printers?
Yes,
See how
sir.
it's.
Okay. Okay. So now, now we are going to do the exercise on of page 34. Everybody take out a pencil, please. So the first picture you are seeing on the screen is basically what? Who is going to tell us that this picture showing what? This is the picture. This is a picture of dash. Picture of dash. What is the name of this device? Who is going to tell? Abdullah Al Jalum, the page number is 34. Ahmad Jabril, we will see the pictures later, not right now. That's good. Only one student give the answer and it's Jihad. Jihad, give the answer of this question that what is this device? Okay, that's good. So you just have to tell me the name and you now you have to tell me that it's an input device or an output device. So Jihad, Ammar, Ahmad Jibrail, Abdul Hamid, Eham, and Ammar Khalid. All these students give the correct answer in the chat. And the correct answer is scanner. The correct answer is scanner. Okay, that's great. And the scanner is input or output. Scanner is input or output. So let's see. Yes, Karim Nasir and Anasai Sayyed. You're right. Okay. So the answer is coming from many students. That's good. Ahmad Kandil, Anas Al Sayyed. Okay. And all the others whose name which I took, all these students give the correct answer. It's a scanner. It's a scanner. The spelling of scanner is SCANNER. SCANNER. It's a scanner. And it's an input or output. It's a input device. It's a input device. So Scanner is a device and it's an input device. It takes data from us in the form of image. In the form of image, they take data from us. Okay. Now we are moving towards the next one. The next one is easy. The next one is easy. Let me fix the page. Wait for a second. So scanner is there and it's a input device. What about the next one? The next one is this device. There are some buttons on it. In this device, there are some buttons. It's very easy, huh? This device is very easy. Everybody should give the answer for this one. This device has many buttons. More than 100 buttons are there on this device. It is used to type. Okay. It's input or output. That's good. Jihad, Abdullah Al-Jalum, Ahmad Kindil, Ahmad Jibril. That's good. So it's a input device. It's very easy. The name of that device starts from K. It's a input device. Okay, that's good. You guys are right. Anas Al Sayyad, Hamza Walid, Abdullah Al Julum, Ammar Khalid, all these guys send the correct answers. So it's a keyboard and it's a input device because with the help of it we can type the data, give the instruction. So it's a keyboard. It's a keyboard and it's a input device. It's a keyboard and it's a input device. So now we are moving towards the next one. The next one is there. It has only two buttons. This device only has two buttons. There is one wire and we can move it with the help of hand. What do we call it? And it is output device or an input device. You guys send the answer in the chat. So very good. Jihad Al Sayyed, Ahmad Usama, Abdullah Al Zulum, Jihad Muhammad. So tell me the name and tell me about it that it's an input or output. Ahmad Jibrail. Yes, all these students are right. Ahmad Kindil. Okay, so it's very easy. This device only has two buttons, normally used to do click. We use click with the help of this device. Now, the name of the device starts with M and it's an input device. Yes, all of you are right. Eham, Ahmad Awal, Anas Al Sayyed, all these guys said the correct answer along with the other students whose name which I took. It's mouse and it's a input device. It's a input device. So we have mouse and input. Mouse is an input device. Now we have the fourth picture on this page. The picture is there. The picture is there. What do we call that picture? Yes. What do we call that picture? What is this? If you see the red arrow on the screen, you will find it out what that picture is. Yes, very good. The name of that picture, that device is starts with P. It is output or input. Jihad Al Sayyed, Jihad Muhammad, Ammar Khalid, Abdullah, Amro, Ahmad Jibrail, Anas Al Sayyed. That's good. So the name of the device starts with P. Also tell us that it's a output or input. What type of device it is? It's an input device or a output device. It's an input device or a output device. What do you think? Very good. Ahmad Awad, Abdullah. Very good. That's good. Hamza, very nice, Hamza. Al Humam, that's nice. So you guys said it correct. It's a output device. Yes, you all guys are right. Those names which I took, all of them give the correct answer. It's a output device. It's a output device. The name of that device is starts with P. Okay, and it's a printer. And it's a printer. So let me write the spelling. The spelling of printer is very easy. It's Printer, and it's a output device. It's a output device. Okay, so in this page, on the page number 34, we saw four devices. What these four devices are? We saw a scanner, printer, mouse, and keyboard. And we also get to know that they are input or not. Scanner is an input device. It takes data from us in the form of image, in the form of picture. We place the paper on it and it will make a picture of that thing and transfer it to computer. It's an input device. It will not return us anything. So that's why it's a input one. Then printer. Printer gives us a result in the form of paper. It prints the things on the paper and give us. So it's a output. It will not take anything from us. It will take the data from the computer. So, mouse. Mouse took a data from us in the form of clicks. Mouse needs click. And we press the click in this way, mouse send the click towards the computer. So it's an input device. Keyboard. Keyboard is used for typing. We know very well. And keyboard is an input device. Why it is input device? Because with the help of keys we give the instructions to the computer. Without it, it's not possible to use the computer efficiently. Okay, because keyboard is used to give the instructions to the computer programs. There are different programs in the computer. For example, game, video, software, internet, browser. Whatever you are doing, you need a keyboard to control those programs. So we see three input devices and one output devices. So now my question is, everybody write this in the page number 34. Everybody write these devices in the on the page number 34. Say yes or no.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, right.
Yes, sir, I write. Yes, sir, I write.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I write it.
You.
I right.
Okay, go to the
Okay.
next
Yes, sir,
screen.
I
Okay,
right.
that's good. Okay. Okay. You guys wrote it. That's great. Okay. So now let me take a screenshot of this screen and wait a second. Now, let me clear the screen. We are moving towards the next page. What does next page is saying? We are moving towards the page number 35. Everybody open the page number 35. Very good, Jihad. Very nice, Jihad. Very good. So, on the page number 35, we see two more pictures. The first picture is showing some sort of computer and there is a screen. The person is touching that screen. So, what do we call it? What do we call it? It's a screen, a kind of a screen like a tablet. You also touch the screen of a tablet, of a mobile. That person is also touching it. What do we call it? No, CRT has a big body. If you see this computer, it is very much thin. It's not CRT, Jad. It's not CRT. Okay. Can you name this device? We study this device and we use this device daily. You, me, everyone. Nearly everyone use this device daily. Yes, Ahmad Kandil picked the correct hint. Very well done, Ahmad Kandil. So, the answer of this device starts from T. The name of this device starts from T. T. So, the name of this device starts from T. Very good, Anas. There are two words in the device name. The first word starts with T. There are two name There are two words in the name of that device. The name is started with T. Very good. So, who picked the hint? Ahmad Kandil, Anas Al Sayyed, Ayad Khalid, Abdullah Al Zulum, Ammar Khalid. That's good. So, the name of that device is touch screen. As I told you that it contains two words. The name of the device contains two words, touch and the screen. So, it is a touch screen. CRT is something else. CRT is a big monitor. So, we see about the touch screen. Okay, let me write the name. Now, my question is touch screen is input or output? Who is going to tell us? Let's see. It's an input device or an output device. Touch screen is an input device or an output device. So, very good. Only one student give the correct answer, and the name of the student is Ayad Khalid. Now we got the second one. Ahmad Jibrail. Very good. Two students only. Ziad Muhammad, Ammar, Ahmad Jibrail, and Ayad. Only four students give the correct answer. Okay. So only four students give the correct answer. So many students are sending the answer, but only four give the correct answer. Touch screen. Very good, Jihad. Jihad explains it. Okay. Many students are sending. I am just taking the names of the students, those who are giving the correct answers. Okay, so that those students who are making mistake, they can check the answer. The right answer for this one is considered at both input and output both. It considered both input and output. If you see if you see on the page number 30, there is a line written at the end of the page. A touch screen monitor or any touch screen thing like tablet, mobile, or screen considered both an input and output device. So it's a input and output device at the same time. If you see, the person is typing on the screen. The person is typing on the screen, but at the same time, the person is viewing the results by his eyes from the screen. So at the same time, it is an input device and a output device. So it's a touch screen and input and output at the same time. It's a both things are in it. So input and output both are there. Okay, so we are moving towards the last picture of this question. The last picture is showing a thin thing. Okay, so what do we call it? Then, yes, let's see. Okay, that's good. That's nice. Good. Very nice. Ahmad Usama, Jihad, Ammar Khalid. Ammar Khalid wrote the full form of the word. Very good, Ammar. Okay, Abdullah, Ayad Khalid, Ahmad Usama. Yes, Ahmad Usama, what happened? Ali, Anas Al Sayyed. All these students send the correct answer in the chat. Ahmad Usama, you are saying something? You can send your question here, please. Okay. Okay, okay. So Ahmad is saying no, there is nothing. Okay. So Ahmad Jibrail. Good. So this thing is a monitor. This thing is a monitor. Or we can just say it's a LCD. All the answers are correct. Like LCD, if someone is writing LCD, it's correct. If someone is writing monitor, it's correct. And if someone is writing LCD monitor, then it's correct. All are correct. So we will write only one. It's a LCD monitor. You can write any one word. So the full form of LCD is liquid crystal display. We study that thing. We also do the blank for liquid crystal display in the book, and I'm telling you this thing again. So Firaz Suleiman, Ahmad Jibrail, Ahmad Usama, Who else is there? Kareem Nasir, Hamza. Let me take the names of the students, including Hamza, Al Humam, Eham, Ali Al Mutari, Anas Al Sayyad. All these guys send the correct answer in the chats. Okay. So it's a LCD monitor. Will it take something from us? No. It will give us something. It will not take anything from us. It will take, it will give us something. And that something is called as the output. So basically, this is the output device. This is a output device. So LCD or the monitor is a output device. Okay. So in this form, we are done with the six pictures. Oh, that's good, Ahmad Sama. Okay. So we are done with the six pictures. What these pictures are saying? All these pictures are telling about the different devices. Total devices we saw are six. And we also see their characteristic, that they are input or they are output. So we see two more devices, the touchscreen device and the LCD. In simple words, the monitor. We saw two more devices. The LCD is a output device. It just display the things, just show us the results on the screen. And touch screen is showing the answers and also taking an input. So touch screen is an input, at the same time it's output. So we see the six devices. Did you guys see write the all answers in the book? Did you guys write all the answers in the book?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
I wrote in
Yes,
my book.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay, you wrote it. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay. So I am going to clear I am going to clear this screen. I am going to clear this screen, and we are moving towards the next question of the page. The next question of the page is, name the devices corresponding to the given clues. Name the devices. What is the device we are seeing? Name the devices corresponding to the given clues. There are some hints given. There are some hints given, and we have to guess. We have to guess that which device we have. We have to guess that which device we have or which device they are telling. So there are 8 hints given. So it means that we have to write the name of the devices, 8 devices. So moving towards the first one. Moving towards the first one. So let me make it little, okay, it's correct. Okay. So the first device name is, this device is used. This device is used to play a video game. This device is used to play a video game. See, we saw the device in the previous classes, that there is a device used for playing a aeroplane game or racing game. Can anybody tell me the name of that thing? That device which we saw, it's an input device. It is used specifically for racing games and for the car games. Used can be used in daily life, but in the older times it designed for the car racing games. Very good. The name of the device starts with J. Very good. Ahmad Usama, Ahmad Jibrail, Jad Mohammed, Iham. All these guys already picked the correct answer. So Abdullah, Ayad Khalid, Ammar Khalid, Ahmad Jibrail. That's good. So the name of that device is Anas Al Sayyed and Hatim also give the correct answer. The name of that device is joystick. Yes, Kareem Masih, Jihad, Hatim, and Anas. All of you guys give the correct answer. Okay. So the name of that device is joystick. In the old times, it is used to play just two type of games, like racing games or aeroplane games. But nowadays, they are used almost in every game. They are designed for the video games. Joystick is designed for the video games. So the answer for the first hint is joystick. The answer for the first hint is joystick. Now we are moving towards the next one. What is the next statement is saying, or the next hint is saying? Next hint is dash responds to touch. When we touch that thing, it responds, it gives us answer. We touch our mobile, we touch our laptop, we touch our tablet. So what do we call it? Very good. Kareem Nasir picked the correct answer. Ahmad Jibrail, Jihad Al Sayyed, Ayad Khalid. Yes. Now I am again giving the same hint. The name of that thing contains two words, and the name of that word is starts with T. That's good. Ayad, Firas, Ammar, Ahmad Kandil, Ali Al Mutari, Jihad Muhammad. All these guys are giving the correct answer. The name of that device starts with T. When we touch that thing, so it responds. So it's very easy. It's a touch screen. It's a touch screen. It's a touch screen. It responds to us a data. So it's touch screen. Okay. Now copies an image from paper to computer. This device, the third hint is saying that there is a thing. There is a thing which copies a picture from paper to the computer. We see that device in the previous picture. The name of that device starts with S. What do we call that device? Okay, Jihad Muhammad, Abdul Hamid Ahmad, Anas Al Sayyed. Okay, only three students. Okay. So the name of that device, okay, is scanner. It's a scanner. Karim Nasir, Ammar Khalid, and Ali also give the correct answer. Hamza, are you listening to me?
Yes.
Hamza, are you listening to me? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir. I hear you.
Hamza, can you tell me the spelling of scanner? Okay, can you tell me
SCA.
the spelling of scanner?
Sir, do you hear me? Sir.
Yes, yes, SCA and yes, I am
SCA
listening to you.
SCANNR. SCANNR. Scanner.
And okay, okay. So let's see. Let's see. Okay, Ayad Ghalib. Ayad Ghalib, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ayad, where your voice is not coming clearly. Ahmad Jibrail.
Yes, sir.
Ahmad Jibrail,
Yes,
are you
sir.
listening to me?
Yes, sir. I'm hearing you.
Okay. So, Ahmad, can you tell us a spelling of scanner?
Yes. SCANNER. Sir, can you hear me?
Excellent. That's good. That's good. So, there is a spelling told by the Ahmad Jibrail. The spelling is SCANNER. It's SCANNER. It's a scanner. Okay, that's good. Hamza also tried to give the right answer, but overall spelling is correct by the Hamza, but there is a one letter mistake, and Ahmad Jibrail told us the correct spelling. That's good. The next one is the fourth one. The fourth hint is saying about dash is used to type. Dash is used to type text. What is we use to type text? Very good. It's very easy. Anas Al Sayyed, Ayad Khalid. There are so many buttons on that device. We use this device to type. There are so many buttons. There are about 104 buttons on that device. What do we call it? Jihad Muhammad, Anas Al Sayyed, Ayad Khalid, Jihad Al Sayyed, Ali, Ammar Khalid, and Ahmad Jabrail. Ahmad Usama, Ahmad Awad. Very good. You guys give the correct answer and everyone type the correct spelling. Excellent, guys. So, Firas Suleiman, are you listening to me, Firas?
Yes, sir.
Firas, are you there?
Yes.
Firas, what is the name of that device?
I.
Okay, the device we use to type is a keyboard. Can you tell us a
Keyboard.
spelling of the keyboard?
K.
Yes,
E.
K,
E.
E,
Y.
K, E, and then
Y.
Y.
B.
Yes,
O.
B,
B. O.
O,
A.
B, O, and then what, Firas? A.
A. R.
Tell it fast, Firas. Firas.
R. R.
R,
D.
R, and D. It's a keyboard. So it's a keyboard. We use to type text. So right now we are stopping it here. There is assignment waiting for you in the class light. We will continue it from point 5 in the next class. There is assignment. Everybody open that assignment from the class light. We will meet in the next class. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye, everyone. The time of the period is finished.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day. Bye. Bye, sir.
Have a nice
Bye,
day,
sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, bye, sir.